Hey everybody, it is Tiffany from Aisle 21, and today I'm going to be showing you not only the August exclusive color, but also how to dip with gel liquids. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I've already prepped my nails here, and what I'm doing is adding some gel base on and then laying flat into the powder. You can also do the pour over method if you have a solid color, but I have found that with the glitters, just laying it flat upside down, it picked it up much better versus doing the pour over method. And then just cleaning up around the cuticles, you can use a cuticle oil stick or this precision tool that I was using. So as you can see, that is the precision tool. It works, but I do like the cuticle sticks a little bit better just because it's a little bit thicker on the end and I can get more off with it. After I'm finished dipping, I'm going to cure my whole hand for 30 seconds. And the light that I'm using is a 48 watt light. Now, if your dip is not curing, here's a couple tips for you is we do suggest getting a new light every year because they do tend to go bad. So if you're not curing, you can always make sure you have a good light and it's at least 48 watts. Ooh, look at that sparkle. After I've cured for 30 seconds, we're going to go in with a second dip of this gorgeous, prettiest purple dip color. This is going to give me that extra coverage that I am looking for, particularly in this dip. I'm also patting down, as you can see, after I dip it in, I come back and I pat down each of those little glitters. I don't want any of those glitters sticking up, so just doing a light pat will help them lay down into the gel. And always cleaning around the cuticles each time you dip in. The gel process does go by pretty fast. So after you're done dipping your whole hand, again, cure for 30 seconds. Now, since I am not using dip liquids with this, I'm going to be using a multifunction gel as my clear topper to encapsulate the glitter. I'm going to put a pretty good, nice layer of this on and cure for 30 seconds. I also put my hands upside down before curing. That way that gel will just kind of sink into the middle of my nail and it's not going to be flooding my cuticles. Then I'm going to add a layer of no wipe gel top coat. File and buff, which was done off camera. Next, I'm going to be putting a primer on my nails before the gel base. The primer helps the gel base adhere to the nail, and I'll put a gel base on so that my top coat will not peel. Then I will cure my gel base for 30 seconds. Next, I will come back in with my no wipe gel top coat, put a final layer of that on, and cure for 60 seconds. Look how gorgeous these nails are. They are so pretty. This is the August exclusive. Look at that shine. Nothing is better than a gel top coat shine. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will also be linking all of the products that I used in the description box down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you use the gel method below. We'll see you next time. Bye.